Guys, we got the BOGO, yes, and it's $199, but you do have to download the app. It's right here. So this is the BOGO right here. It is $199. Disregard the other video that I just made. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, so you do have to, big shout out to Ivan for letting us know about this. I know he commented on my last video. So it is $199. So this is the pump, right, that everybody wants. So you go down here to the free gift with purchase, and I'll leave you guys the link to this thing, to the 2 battery and charger deal with the get free tool. And yes, it is $199. Again, you do have to download the app to get that $199 price. So disregard the other video, of course. You go down here to the free gift with purchase. You're gonna select the M12 3/8 crown stapler, valid at $139. You can select the stick vacuum or the stick transfer pump, valued at $199, which is probably one of the best deals that everybody wants, and I've seen that everybody's buying those. So make sure you guys buy early, because the bigger items or the nicer items do sell out. You got the AM/FM radio, Bluetooth radio, valued at $149. Got the electric portable inflator, valued at $119. You got this is the job site fan, valued at $99. The battery, valued at $119. And here's another one you guys could hack. This was a really good one because it's $199. Obviously, you want to get the best bang for your money, especially with those 2 5s. That's a killer deal. All right, so this one's the pruner shears, valued at $199. Compact spot blower. The rotary tool, valued at $99, and then the high-speed ratchet, the 3/8 right high-speed ratchet, valued at $199. Circular saw 5 3/8, valued at $159, and then you got the 1/4-inch impact driver, valued at $139. The 3-inch cutoff saw, yes, $149, and then the oscillating multi-tool, valued at $159. So definitely jump on this one, guys. I know I made the other video, but that one was it was available. So you add it to the cart. All right, so yeah, both of them are $99 each. This is a great hack. This is a killer hack. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the bell. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.